FortiWeb Manager, central management for FortiWeb WAF. FortiWeb Manager centralizes the configuration of your multiple FortiWeb hardware and virtual appliances. Instead of creating a local configuration on each remote FortiWeb, FortiWeb Manager allows you to create a consistent configuration that you can install on one or more FortiWeb devices. With the web-based interface, you create both provisioning templates and policy packages and then assign them to one or more devices. Provisioning templates are used to set system objects including DNS, SNMP, and security settings. In most cases, these are used for the initial deployment and aren't updated all that often. Policy packages contain one or more policies you create using configuration objects such as virtual servers, server pools, and web protection policies. You'll need to create the configuration objects separately and then add them to the policies in each policy package. Once you're ready, you then send the provisioning and policy templates to the FortiWeb devices. These new templates will replace any current or default configurations on the remote appliances. If you need to make updates, that's easy with FortiWeb Manager. You simply update the templates on FortiWeb Manager and automatically push them out to the remote devices. FortiWeb Manager simplifies the task of managing multiple FortiWeb devices in your organization. For more information, please visit Fortinet.com.